Guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some LED headlights on the Durango. We've already done the fog lights, so we're trying to match them up with the headlights. These are by Lasfit. These are the LA Plus 9005s. That's your headlight bulb size. And these are the bulbs. Everything's plug and play. Here's your little fan, big heat sink. These are 30 watts a bulb, it's supposed to be really bright. Plugs into your factory harness. I'm going to show you how to install them, show you some before and afters, and we'll go from there. To install these headlights, you're going to need to come in from the wheel over here, and there's this dust cover, not a dust cover but a cap to get to the dust cover. You're going to twist it so you have an opening. That pops off. Oops, just drop that piece. And it always helps if you have the hood open, you get a little more light to see. And now there's a dust cover right in here, which is very hard for me to show you. Oh, there it is. You're going to twist that counterclockwise to open it in order to get to the actual headlight to do the replacement and removal. So I'm going to twist this off. Let's see if I can do it on camera. I'm going to have to do it off camera so I can get a better angle with my hand in there, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it comes off and the best way to get it out. This is what your dust cover looks like. It's installed exactly like this, and you have to twist it counterclockwise and just pull it out. That's pretty much it. It's a little hard to get your hand in there. If you have really big hands, you might have a hard time. But now the ball was exposed. You're going to turn that to the left as well. Let me see if I can do it on camera. Yep, turn to the left, and that's it. This is the passenger side, so you're going to turn it in toward the driver's side. So now you're just going to basically unplug the bulb, plug the new bulb in, and reconnect. I'll show you what it looks like as a test. So now the bulb is actually connected. All we're trying to do is make sure that it actually turns on, because what happens is these bulbs are polarity sensitive. So if you plug it in and you test the light and it does not work, you're going to get here's your harness right here. If it's plugged in this way, for instance, you're just going to flip it the other way and plug it in. Okay, so here's a quick test to see if it works. Bulb is working just right, and if you listen carefully, you can hear the little fan going. That helps keep it cool. So now I'm going to button it up, I'm going to close up the fixture, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in the housing. The difference between stock and the new Lasfit bulb during the day, and I'll show you at night as well. So after tinkering with the bulb for a little bit and getting it to fit properly, there's a little red gasket that goes in here. I found that the bulb was a little loose. So if you go and remove that gasket and you add it to the headlight, it stabilizes the bulb much better. It's still daytime, but I found that having the bulb in this position with the wire facing upwards seems to put out a better beam pattern than having the bulb in this position for whatever reason. So I'm going to go with installing it in this up position. If I can give one tip about installing these bulbs, install the bulb any way you can. Make sure you line the prongs up. You turn, even if the bulb is not the right direction, it's like this. Once this piece is tight, you can pull the bulb out. See? Like so. This is still locked in the headlight housing, and then you can set your bulb the direction you want it. So then you just push it all the way in, and it'll firmly go in, like so. Then the bulb is in the right position, and this is locked where you want it. So it's fully adjustable. So that's the best way to do it. So there's the beam pattern. Nice straight pattern still. Nice cutoff. That's your high beam. low beam, high beam, low beam. This is what they look like. Nice and bright white. Really nice illumination, brighter than stock by quite a bit. As you can see, it's starting to hail. See if I can zoom into the light a little bit better. But the color temperature is really nice. Really nice color temperature. Lots of light output. I'm actually going to show you guys the fog lights that I did as well. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link up to the top right so you can check it out. Matching fog lights by Lasfit as well. Those are switchbacks. I'll show you how they look. On the yellow setting, this is the white setting. So the headlights and the fog lights match perfectly. Loads of light. Just what I wanted. The truck definitely needed a little better lighting package, and now it's all upgraded. Looks great. And now I'm going to do the switchback. You got to turn them off and turn them back on. Now I got the yellow fogs. And those are the Lasfit switchbacks. For the fog lights, 9005 bulbs. For the headlights and high beams, it's one bulb. The actual housing just pivots up for the high beam. That's how you get it to look like it's brighter, but it's actually just the same brightness, it's just pointing upward. That's how these trucks work. So there you guys go. If you like what you see, I'll put a link in the description. That way you guys can order them. I also have a promo code. If they don't have any better promotions at the moment, you could use my name, DanVilla, and you'll get 10% off anything site-wide. If they have a better promo code, just use that one, but if you can, please use the link I'm going to provide you for the purchase. So guys, this is the Durango Lasfit headlights and fog lights. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Take care.